Hey everybody, boy is it hot here in Maine. I am sweating. We have had so many days of hot, humid weather. We need a break. But today I thought I would do something easy, simple, and it is homemade self-rising flour. Now there is a reason behind this. I wasn't thinking. I wanted to make a recipe and it called for self-rising flour. And I didn't have any. Gosh, I don't know where my mind was. I could make it. So I went on a quest. I went like 2 days and I couldn't find it. And how many of you shop at your grocery store and still can't find flour? Well, at our bigger box store, which is a town over from me, maybe two, the big store, I can go either way. And they didn't have any. And I went the other way across where I live, 2 towns over, and they didn't have any. But what I did find the other day was I found some wheat flour at the big box store, only 5 pounds. Now I'm converting a lot of my flour over to wheat, where Ray is a diabetic too now. So I figured, well, if I could get 10 pounds, well, guess what? I could only get 5 pounds of wheat flour. So let me know down below if anybody's having trouble getting flour and finding what they need. So all of a sudden the light went on. I'm thinking, Brenda, make your own. So that's what we're gonna do today. But I have a distributor that I buy my flour, sugar, whatever my bacon needs yeast from in the city. And I have to go to the city later this week for an appointment. So I'm gonna stop in and hopefully they'll have my bacon needs that I want, more baking flour of wheat. And I did get 1 bag, so I was blessed and I was thankful. I could only get 1 5-pound bag. So that's better than nothing. So let's get started. You're gonna need a bowl, something to whisk it with, some teaspoons, some cups, salt of your choice, and baking powder of your choice, and all-purpose flour. So I'm gonna see if I can put the camera down. I still don't have my tripod yet. I still have things on order since April, and I haven't gotten them yet. So I don't know when I'm gonna get it. So let's hope I don't lose you going down. Down, 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 down. Oh, I think, whoa, we're a little wiggly. Let me see if I can move this over just a little bit. Hey, how about that? I can move this over a little bit. So I have my flour here. I use pink Himalayan salt. I just put it in a container because I've lost my salt shaker. I have some cups, and I have some teaspoons and a tablespoon, and I have some baking powder. So make sure your hands are clean, very important. So we're gonna start off with 1 cup. I keep a 1 cup measuring cup in my flour at all times. I use my hand a lot, but sometimes I use a utensil. And I don't like banging. I can't believe I just did that. Okay, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So we're all done with that. Unless you want to make a big batch up and you have it, and you want to put it in a container of your choice. I'm not sure what I'm putting mine in yet. So you want 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon and a half of baking powder. And we're done with that. All you need is 3 ingredients. And salt, 1/4. This looks like 1/4 right here. I use pink Himalayan. You can use whatever you want. I'm using this for a salt shaker right now, and mine has got to come up. I just don't know what I did with it, or Ray. Who knows? Might have even got thrown away by accident. When I get cleaning and everything, things just disappear. So that's all you need right there. And just something to stir it in to incorporate it all. And I'm using a whisk. And I wasn't sure if I wanted a whisk or a fork, but I ended up using this. And that's all there is to it. And then you just put it in a container of your choice. And like I said, I'm not real sure what I'm gonna use for. And I might make the recipe that I wanted to. So I may not have to put it in a container. But that's how you make it, right there. Doesn't that look nice? So again, this is homemade self-rising flour. So there you go. No more looking in the stores if you're looking for some. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep the hope. Bye now. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.